In this video, I will discuss how to install Python in Mac operating system. The first step is very common for the Mac or a Windows operating system. If you are using Mac operating system, open terminal. If you are using Windows operating system, you can open the command prompt. You can enter Python space hyphen hyphen version, or you can type Python 3 space hyphen hyphen version. So if you get the command not found, that means Python is not installed on your device. Then what you can do is you can navigate to the Python official website and then you can download the package for the Mac operating system and .exe for the Windows operating system. You can go to the www.python.org/downloads, and here in this website you can, in my case I'm using a Mac operating system, I have downloaded a package by using this link. If you are using Windows operating system, click on the Windows. On the left side under stable releases, depends on your operating system, you can download the .exe file. Then next, in case of Mac, simply double click on the .package. Then you will see the screen like this. Click on continue. Then again continue. And click on continue. On the left side, you can make sure that all these steps are listed, and this installation is going through all these steps. Then click on agree button and click on install, and at the end you will see the message called the installation was completed successfully, and also it opens the folder where exactly Python is installed. Then you need to cross check it whether Python is installed successfully in your machine or not. Again, you can open your terminal. In case of Mac, simply type the Python 3 space hyphen hyphen version, and this time you should be able to see the Python version. That means Python is installed successfully. So let me open my terminal, and here I will enter Python 3 space hyphen hyphen version, right? So it is displaying the Python and then version. So that means in my case also Python is installed successfully. So far you have seen how to install Python on the Mac operating system. Now we will see how to install Python in Windows operating system. From the official website of the Python, you can download the .exe file. Then double click on the .exe file. You will see this screen, first screen. Then click on the run button. And in the second screen, make sure that you are checking these two checkboxes. If you are missed to check the second checkbox, you need to add the python.exe file to the system environment variables manually. So make sure that you are checking these two checkboxes. Then it will take few seconds to install the Python in your device. Then at the end you will see the setup was successfully screen, and then click on close. Then at the end you can verify whether Python is installed on your device or not by using Python space hyphen hyphen version. Then you should be able to see the Python version. Or if you are not able to see the Python version, you can try using a Python 3 space hyphen hyphen version command. So this is how you can install the Python in Mac operating system and Windows operating system. In this video, I will discuss how to install VS Code in your device. You can navigate to the https://code.visualstudio.com/download. So this is a official website of the VS Code editor, and here depends on your operating system. You can download the .exe file for the Windows and a .package file for the if you are using a Mac. And if you are using other operating systems, so based on your operating system you can download the file. Then if you are using Mac operating system, simply double click on the .package file, and steps are very simple and straightforward. You can complete the process. Unfortunately, I did not add the screenshots for the Mac. Here I have added a screenshots for the Windows installation. Let's go through the steps. Once you got the .exe file, you need to double click on the .exe file, and you will see a screen like this. Click on Run button. Then here click on the I accept the agreement. Then click on Next button and Next button. And here you need to click on the Install button. So here it will take few seconds for the installation. Then you will see the final screen like this. Then click on the Finish button. After clicking on the Finish button, in the start simply type the Visual Studio Code. You should be able to see the app like this in your Windows operating system. If you are using a Mac operating system, type Visual Studio Code. So in my case, I have already installed it. So you should be able to see like this in the Mac operating system. So this is how you can install the VS Code in Mac and Windows operating system.